told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until.
Are you in love with that airbrush complexion kind of thing you get when you put a filter on your
Yes,
photo?
one swipe left, you get beautiful skin. Hello.
I mean, but check this out. You can look just as flawless with the help of Blur makeup products.
All right,
Blur
fine.
is the word.
I don't know if I believe you, but we'll try. Because they're made with these really smart particles called dimethicone that reflect the light. So I'm willing to give it a try if it has something scientific behind it.
Yes.
It also increases and fights creases. Did you know that?
Oh, yeah.
Decreases.
Decreases.
And fights.
Fights.
The increase of creases.
Bless.
So here to show you how to get that perfect photo. No filter. Hashtag is makeup artist Neil Shabelli. Hi, my love. So good to have you here. Good to see you guys.
So nice to have you back with us.
Hi.
So good.
Love
All
your
right.
expertise.
Try and convince me not to use a filter. Go ahead.
Well, if you have this, you won't need one.
I know,
All
and
right,
Kathy's
let's
here joining
see
us
it.
today as well. So, Neil, break it down for us. What is the one product we need to get a flawless looking face?
Yeah, if you're gonna go with one, definitely go with a primer. A primer is your one-stop shop to keeping your makeup on all day. You can wear it by itself. We're using this one here by e.l.f. Cosmetics.
Nice.
And it is the Hydrating Face Primer. And we've actually completed one side already, as you can see on this side. So we're gonna work on the opposite side.
Wonderful.
And
this one here is infused with a blend of anti-aging ingredients.
Exactly. So dimethicone actually is the base ingredient for this, and that's a great ingredient. As you can see here, it's a super silky feel to the primer. Yes.
It feels like silk, guys, and it's going to really drench the skin. It's going to hydrate it, and really, its intent and purpose is to reduce those fine lines and wrinkles.
Yes,
Correct?
and dimethicone is in a lot of
it is so
kind of products that are meant to fill pores and fine lines. So this one here specifically uses it as a primer, which is so smart because it's creating that smooth canvas before you apply your makeup. So it's filling any kind of fine lines, pores, wrinkles, anything like that. And e.l.f. Cosmetics does such a good job at it at such an affordable price too.
This one right here is $6. Can't beat that right there. So check it out below in our style carousel. It's infused with grape ingredients
A, C, and E.
Yes.
So it's kind of a great stress blocker for the environment as well, because once it's on your skin, it's acting as a serum as well. So it's it's preventing any environmental stress from attacking your skin. It's creating that long wear to your makeup all day. And then of course, specifically this one is creating that hashtag no filter look. So
It actually was hard for me to say because I can't actually. I've never posted a hashtag no filter photo, right? Ever
now,
in my life.
Maybe your chance, Frankie. So you guys don't forget this e.l.f. primer. It's going to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, transforming your face into something that's flawless and smooth. And it's really going to act as a nice canvas, so your makeup is going to go on much more smoother and evenly.
And stay on all day as
Wonderful.
well.
So that first step in the process is
done.
finished. All about the
so
primer.
now we've primed the skin. What do we do now?
So next, it's all about creating that airbrush finish for your foundation.
Okay.
So this one here is by L'Oreal. It's the Visible Lift Blur Foundation using optic blur technology. And we've used it on one side already.
You guys,
so I'll
makeup
show you
has
how it
gotten
looks on
so
the other
fancy.
side. Right?
It is like
Got the filter in the bottle.
It makes you miss
Exactly.
chemistry.
And we're seeing that dimethicone ingredient in here again as well. So
she
that
is
one's known
again.
for really creating more of a finished look to like the fine lines, pores, anything on the skin. But specifically, I feel like this one with L'Oreal is giving a nice matte airbrushed finish. So you can use it, with a foundation brush. You can use it with your hands. Super easy to apply.
Well, it's also nice to see that products that are, that can be more accessible to all of us and that are on a much more budget-friendly price point. So you had the e.l.f. for $6, maybe the L'Oreal here, the Blur Foundation for around 12 or so. They are chock full of extra ingredients that are nourishing your skin, blocking and really creating like a barrier for your skin as well against the elements, but then allowing you to put your makeup on
no
with
free
ease.
radicals are going to be touching the skin.
Yes,
good.
and you also get that beautiful kind of airbrush-like finish with these types of ingredients.
Because that is
as
our
well.
point.
Yes,
that is our
the
purpose.
whole point
Blur
here.
beauty, baby.
What I like about the dimethicone is that it actually reflects light, but in a matte way.
Exactly.
So it doesn't look like you're sweating, but it does fill in all those dark areas where you want to actually make the light bounce off of.
Yes,
Right.
so
Which
you're
is
not
very
looking
nice.
shiny. You're just kind of looking more full covered.
It's
You know,
it's
there's
a
more
true
full
glisten,
coverage in it.
yeah.
So to continue our stroll down the dimethicone lane, what do we have for concealer?
So this one here is I love this one. It's by Physicians Formula.
It's rose gold! It's not actually rose gold, but the color of the
I know,
packaging
good
is rose gold.
packaging, right?
Which means it's amazing.
Hold on, Rose. Hold
Look,
on.
touch it next to my hair. Hold it next to my hair. Does it look the same color?
Almost.
Wow.
Right?
On
And
point.
touch of blur. So once again, like with that same technology, this one is a concealer and it just an overall eye brightener. And what I love specifically about the Physicians Formula one is it has a salmon undertone to the color.
Salmon.
So
Yes, which gets rid of the dark circles.
exactly.
Yeah.
So the salmon color is going to be basically it's going to counteract any blue under the eyes. So dark circles, any of that, it really just helps to diminish that and color correct it.
And it's so nice to see. Sometimes you feel like you search high and low for like the perfect concealer.
Right.
And it does not do what it's meant to do.
I
It just
know.
kind of moves around. It's not actually, you know,
Filling in
erasing
the
that.
creases.
Filling in.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want